my channel, but me and Mama's channel. Today we are gonna unbox Mama's thing. We don't know what it is. So it's only Mama's chair massage.
Okay, so I'll be the one to talk about it. So last time Cassey did an unboxing. So this time it's gonna be my turn to be unboxing. No, actually we have already opened it. But prior to that one, so matagal ko na talagang gustong bumili nito. Kaso nga lang, medyo may kamahalan. Bago ko pa to binili. Plano ko talaga i-regalo siya sa asawa ko nung Christmas. Kaso gusto niya relo. So hindi ko na Pero gusto ko na talagang bumili nito dati pa. So ko last month. Yes. Tapos ito yung parang gino-joke ka lang na sana gusto kong ipabili sa kanya. Pero matagal na rin para niyang gustong bumili nito. So nabili namin. Tapos I ordered it last month, but then I didn't know that it was going to arrive yesterday, so I was a little bit shocked because it is supposed to be delivered by the end of this month or third week of the month. So I am so excited to use it, and so I'm gonna show you what I got. So this is the one that I got. It's an IRest massage chair. I will explain the detail more details on this one later. We just need to set this thing up and connect the footrest on the chair. So ito yung nabili ko. This is an IRest massage chair. So ito try natin. So marami siyang features. Bago ko binili to, nag-research muna kami ng asawa ko. May dalawang uri pala ng massage chair. Yung may S track at saka may L track. So yung S track, mostly lang siya. Pang lower, yung pang back part lang talaga yung massage. Pero yung yung L track is pati yung hips mo, minamasahe din. Pati yung hamstring. So he likes it better with both. So I got an SL track. And not just only that, hindi lang siya masahe with your body part, pati na rin yung foot massage. Diba usually, I don't know if you have seen it, because the one that I use at the mall, it doesn't come with foot massage. So this one actually has a foot massage, and it has rollers in here. So, para ka talagang nagpa-foot massage. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung kaibahan. Tapos, may Bluetooth speaker siya. So, while nagmamasahe ka, so pwede ka makinig ng music, which I think is not really a big deal for me, because you can actually listen to, I have Alexa, or you can also use your phone. But it just feels so much better because the music is just right here. So, this part here, so hindi lang siya talagang regular na massage chair. Kasi minamasahe rin pati yung ulo mo, yung your head. So, the back part of your head and your nape is actually being massaged. It's like really there's someone giving you a massage, except for your forehead. Tapos, it has an airbag. So, this one here. That one, I still have to find out what is the use of that one. Tapos, diba, I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. This one actually also gives you a massage with your arms. So your arms is actually locked in here. So you can't actually use your phone. Just like the one that I always use at the mall, I can just use my phone. This one, you really have to relax and then just feel like, you are being given a massage. Tapos may heating pad din siya. It really feels good kasi parang umiinit yung sa likod mo. So which really helps. The heating pad really helps. Tapos what other features? So dito yung minamasahe ka. This is the part where you're given a massage with your back, and then including your lower back. that part there. Okay, but before you're going to do the massage, this actually comes with a body scanner. So first thing it's gonna do is that it will scan your body as to which part na kailangan talaga ng masahe. So nagsiscan siya, ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Tapos ano din siya, usually kapag mga massage chair, nakaupo ka lang, nag-relax. Pero with this one, this is also a recliner. And then before it starts giving you a massage, it is actually bringing your body to a zero gravity. So you need to be fully rested. Like, dapat relax ka lang talaga. Tapos, may scanner siya. Tapos, may iba't ibang uri ng massage. Depending on how you like it. If you want it kind of like rough thing, then you can also do that. So you just have to adjust. So this is the remote controller. And it has also, it includes Thai foot massage. It is a recliner. And it actually comes with a lot of features. But I'm going to write the link on where I got this one in the description box. So let's try. I've actually tried this one last night. And I tried it for like 20 minutes. And then I liked it. And then I tried another 20 minutes again. So let's find out how it's. So this is the remote control. So this one, it's going to. So since there's no one in there, so it's actually not scanning. It's just showing you how you're being, the recliner part. So this one is like, this is actually, if someone is in there, it's scanning the body. And you will see the difference in there. So far, I really liked it. Like, I wanted, like, after work, I just want to relax and then so I'll show you the remote control is in here, and you will see here this part. So you can have the shoulder position, you can adjust it, and then this one here. So this one here, it's not so clear. So it will do body stretching before giving you the massage too. It will stretch your body, and then, like what I said, it will also scan your body. And then with this one here, it's a full body, and this one is neck and shoulder, and this is just only to relax, and this is comfort. So it all depends on what kind of massage you would want to. And then there's also a mode, the speed, and then the heating. I like the heating system on this one. So you see that? It will show you which part is being massaged. Now it goes to your back, and then it goes down. Sorry about that one, that it's not so clear, but you know the circle thing in there? That's where the thing that's being massaged in your body. Then it goes to your lower back. Okay, I think that's it for now. And if you want to see more of the features on this one, you can actually visit on the link. So I turn it off, and it will just go back on its own. It's gonna be hard for you to get out or get up if it's gonna be on a recliner mode. Okay, so that's it, and I will show you also how the music plays on this one too.
Mama's in now. Yes, and say hi to Mom. Mom, say hi. So Mom is my server right now.
I'm your what?
You're my server.
Server.
So my brother is watching.
Mom is trying out the new massage chair.
chair?
Yeah, he's gonna look at that. Look at the chair.
Give it to me, babe.
But we can't use it because once we get bigger, that means we can use it. So bye! I hope you like my channel. Click that subscribe and hit that bell. The join button is right over here. And also the subscribe button is up there.
Are you sure?
Bell is right near to subscribe.
Okay, so that's it for now, and hope you liked the video that we showed you today, and hope you learned something from us. And don't forget to, like what Cassey said, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you will be notified if ever we have new uploads. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.